This is Kyle Kenworthy, and this is my week 3 critique video. I started off this assignment by taking the EXR file and using shuffle nodes to break it into pieces of data that I could work with. I have the diffuse node right here. I have the refraction node, the reflection node, and the specular. I then went on to create the indirect pass, which I pulled data from the diffuse node, and I removed the data that I didn't need, and then I used the reflection data, blurred that, modified the black, mid, and white point values, modified the area that the HUD shows up. I then took the result and multiplied it against the occlusion pass. And then I did a color correction, and this is the result that I get from that. I then went on to work on my colors. I started with the camo. I reformatted it to be a square. I then I had this plugged in as a stream of data that goes back to the original. This is a postage stamp, and it gets plugged into the various 8 areas that need to be mapped. I then have the copies each set up to be a different ID mask area. So this first one covers the top of the mask. This one covers the body. This one covers is the carbon fiber texture material, and it's the bottom of the mask. This one's the neck, and this one's like the shoulder area. And then merge all of that down to get this result. One issue that I came across this week was when I was pulling this data in here, I was using the node section to enter value in to get this to say diffused, but that wasn't working for me, and I spent probably 15 minutes on that before deciding just to move forward. I couldn't get it to work. I'm not sure why, but I decided to move on and progress in my assignment, and that's where I'm at for the week.